One woman's act of kindness goes viral. Hi everyone, I'm Morgan Manousos for Buzz60. An unidentified woman shared her heartwarming story on the Canberra Mums Facebook page, a community that supports and connects expecting, new, and experienced moms of Canberra, Australia. She said she spent days in the hospital with her 9-week-old son. Once they were ready to go home, she carried her new baby to her car, only to find a parking ticket on it. The new mom described the site on Facebook as the last thing she needed. But when she opened up the ticket envelope, there was a note from a stranger, a woman named Laura, who wrote, "I'm sure whatever you are going through at the hospital is tough enough, so I have paid for you. Hope things get better." That small gesture went a long way for the mom, who wrote in the Facebook post that she hopes Laura knows how much she appreciates the support. The post is inspiring tons of comments, with one woman writing the story gave her goosebumps. And this woman said reading this made her day, and she hopes so much positive comes Laura's way. What goes around comes around, and Laura's got karma on her side. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.